Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to install the Retouch Pro actions and Retouch Pro high-end in Adobe Photoshop. First, extract all, select them, extract all the fields, the zip folder, and save them in a separate folder. Now, one by one, right click, extract all, wait, okay, click on it, extract all. Okay, now open the Photoshop, then go to window where action, okay, all actions. Okay, click the menu icon in the top right corner of the action panel, then select load action, browse to the folder where you extract the fields, select the append field and click load. Now the folder is okay. Retouch Pro high-end, select, okay, once again load action, okay. This is the way you can install two-pack action for retouch your photo. Okay, I'm gonna try one. Click on the frequency separation. Okay, 10. Good. Alright, application, applicated. Okay. Okay, the before and after. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating professional retouch.